The technology that I chose to discuss in this video blog is the relationship between electronic cigarettes and society. Human actions shape this type of technology in many ways, including the existence of the technology, how this technology is used, and what it means to people. First off, the harmful use of tobacco and cigarettes resulted in this technology to be developed. If it weren't for cigarettes, this technology would not exist today. One could also argue that the ineffectiveness of nicotine patches and nicotine gum also helped with the need to develop a better solution for smokers trying to quit. Second is how the human actions shape the meaning of this technology. The estimated number of lung cancer deaths in 2014 was 224,210 deaths. These numbers have led to people feeling like they need to quit smoking as soon as possible. This helps create a social meaning for the electronic cigarette technology, which is that it will help save lives through helping smokers quit. Lastly, human actions also shape how this technology is used. Obviously, it is mainly used to stop people from smoking cigarettes. However, the social constructiveness argument that describes how technology is not out of human control proves true in this case. Some decide to stop using electronic cigarettes once they have completely quit smoking. However, others decide to use electronic cigarettes as a substitute for smoking throughout an extended period of time. As mentioned above, many people view the use of electronic cigarettes as a resource to use in order to quit smoking. If there needed to be a label on the social group that feels this way, it would have to be smokers. However, other social groups think of electronic cigarettes as a way to make smoking attractive to children. Their reasoning for this is the vast amount of flavors that can be used in an electronic cigarette. Strawberry and peanut butter cookie are both flavors that can be used in electronic cigarettes. The electronic cigarette market is growing at a rapid rate, resulting in fewer smokers and more businesses. Researchers at UCSD School of Medicine noted that 10 new e-cigarette brands have entered the internet marketplace every month on average from 2012 to 2014, and that there are currently 466 e-cigarette brands online offering more than 7,700 flavors. Since electronic cigarettes are a relatively new technology, potential long-term dangers from using them are currently unknown, and the FDA does not currently regulate them either. The use of electronic cigarettes by minors is also a growing concern. Both of these situations create conflict between this technology and humans. The conflict of not knowing potential health factors from the use of electronic cigarettes does not currently have an effect on human relations since it is unknown. However, there are many possible effects that could take place depending on what future studies find. If studies find that it can be just as harmful as cigarettes, then the effects of this technology on human relations will be just as significant as they are with real cigarettes. The ultimate negative effect will be possible death. However, if future studies prove that this technology is a healthy alternative to smoking, then there will be many positive effects, with the best being how electronic cigarettes help smokers quit and will eventually save millions of lives from lung cancer. When it comes to minors using this technology, the current effect is that the use of e-cigarettes among teenagers has eclipsed the use of traditional cigarettes and all other tobacco products. Tom Frieden, director of Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, claims that it is subjecting another generation of our children to an addictive substance. He also adds that some e-cigarette smokers would undoubtedly go on to use traditional cigarettes. There are other ways some look at this conflict on human relations. Cynthia Cabrera, executive director of the Smoke-Free Alternatives Trade Association, said her organization has long supported age restrictions and other measures to keep e-cigarettes out of the hands of minors. But at the same time, she said there is no definitive evidence e-cigarettes are a gateway to using traditional cigarettes and other tobacco products. She also explains that she suspects teens experiment with a lot of things, and I suspect anytime someone is not smoking a cigarette, it's got to be a good thing.